Hi, my name is Ruby. I'm back with another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make scrunchies easy for beginners. If this sounds like what you want to know how to do, please don't go anywhere, keep watching. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification so you get notified once a new video goes up. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to take you guys straight to the cutting table shortly after the break. For this tutorial, you'll be needing a fabric, your scissors, elastic band, tape measure, some pins. So our fabric is already laid on the table. The pattern paper is cut 16 inches by 5 inches. And I laid it on the fabric, and this fabric is actually in fold. So I'm going to gently pin this down. Right now, I'm going to cut out a pattern. I'm going to go ahead and take out the pins. Alright guys, this is what we have. I'm going to fold this into two and use my pins to hold it down again. So guys, I'll take this to the machine and sew this on a 1/4 inch mat. So guys, this is what we have. I left off about a space of 1 inch so that we can turn our fabric inside out from that space. So just do well to do that when sewing. I just grabbed my safety pin. So I'll open up the hole and slide the safety pin through one side of the hole. Then I'll start pushing this edge inwards using the safety pin that I just fixed at the edge. So guys, I would have to push it until I get to the other end, and once I get to that end, I will push it out from that hole you can see. All right, so I'll take this to my ironing board and iron the seam flat, and then once I'm done ironing the seam flat, I'm also going to iron the other side. So right now guys, I'm going to locate that 1 inch hole we created initially, and this is the hole right here. From this hole guys, I'm going to push this edge inwards. It's going to come out through the hole just like this. So I'm also going to take this edge and push in through the same hole. So once you do that, make sure the seam matches with the other seam, like it should be on the same line. So guys, this is the hole. I'm going to take this to the machine and sew this on a 1/4 inch mat. Alright guys, so this is what we have. I'm going to push it right back. So guys, we have a nice circle right here. What I'm going to do is to also go back to my ironing table and iron the seam. So that has been nicely done guys. Look at the line here, you can hardly see the line. So I'll grab my elastic band and I'm going to wrap it around my wrist. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right now. So the elastic that I cut out is 9.5 inches long. So I'm gonna grab my pin and fix it at the tip of the elastic like so. Then I'm gonna locate that 1 inch hole we created on the fabric, and I'll slide the elastic through the hole. So I'm going to gently try to push this inwards until it comes out from the hole. I'll fold the elastic this way, go back to the machine and stitch it down. You can stitch as many times as you want because I actually want this to be very firm. All right, so I stitched about 4 times. So I'm going to try to close back the 1-inch hole we created earlier on. Now at this point, I can actually decide to sew this place down, or I can do leather stitch. I'll slide this in through the hole, take it out from this place and slide it through the other side. Take it out, and I'll continue doing this until I get to the end. To tie it off, I'm going to form a loop around the needle, take it up, push it out, and then I'll push back the needle inside. So guys, this is a quick way to make scrunchies from your leftover fabrics. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question or any video request, leave that in the comment section below. I'll get to it. Until next time guys, my name is Ruby. Keep loving, keep crushing, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.